Light mag. 4.1 earthquake 69 kilometers south of Faizabad, Badakhshan, Afghanistan, on Friday, March 10, 2023 at 5:46 a.m. local time, according to the Servicio Sismológico Nacional reported. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. I felt this quake. A second report, United States Geological Survey 45 Km E of Farkhār, Afghanistan 4.1. Light magnitude 4.1 earthquake at 203 kilometers depth, is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.